today's video, I'm going to show you guys here how to stake your XRP and earn passive income on your XRP, watching and compound weekly on a KYC free platform, step by step in this video. What's going on, guys? My name is Sir Lewis. If you guys love crypto content, leave a like, subscribe, and put that notification bell so you guys can be up to date with the latest crypto news and updates. So I'm going to show you guys here how to basically stake your XRP and earn passive income on your XRP. Now, yes, I know this is not 100% staking, but a lot of people, crypto beginners out there, really don't know the difference between staking and lending. So a lot of them be just searching staking when it's really lending. But basically, this app lets you earn passive income on your XRP, and you can watch yourself get more XRP every single week. And plus, it's a KYC free platform. What does that mean? That means you don't have to fill out a bunch of ID things, so it can take literally like a week so they can certify it and let you have your account. I'm gonna leave my referral code in the description and pin comment below. You guys can use it, and I think you guys will get a promotion if you guys use my referral code. It'll be right there in the pinned comment. So let me show you guys here basically how this app works. So as soon as you make an account, it's super easy. You can literally just send your XRP, and right off the bat you'll start earning. I'm gonna show you guys here the rates. This is my XRP, and right now I'm earning 6.7 interest on XRP, which is paid out weekly, okay, which is pretty good. A lot of big platforms out there still don't even have XRP with what's going on with it, but this one does, and 6.7 is pretty good. But in order to get that 6.7, you basically need a fixed deposit, which basically means that you're locking it for 30 days, as you guys can see right here. But if you don't want to lock it, you can just leave it, and you'll basically earn like 4-point-something% APY, which is not that bad either. Personally, I trust this app, and I'm comfortable holding it for 30 days. And right here, you can auto renew and earn that 6.7. Now, you're probably wondering, is this app secure? Now, obviously, every platform has risk. The reason why I like this app is that Coinbase Ventures is an investor in it, and you guys can search that up. It's legit. They even have it on the website, Coinbase Ventures. And on top of that, they are powered by Binance. So what's awesome is that you guys can literally send USDT here or XLM, swap it for XRP, and the fees are super low because it's powered by Binance. If I click right here at the bottom, you guys can see powered by Binance. And I did a bunch of swamps already, and let me just tell you, this fees are really low, okay? Thanks to Binance, obviously. So you can literally send some XLM here and literally buy some XRP using this just with the swamp feature. And they also have loans, so you can take out loans if you guys want to take out a loan on your crypto if you guys have a lot. So to send your XRP here, you just click on XRP. And I don't want to show you guys here my address, but basically after you click on deposit funds, it's going to show you guys the address and the memo, and it lets you copy and paste both of them. Now, don't forget, when you send your XRP, make sure you add both the address and the memo, and make sure they are right, okay? Obviously, copy and paste them. Don't type it out. And then it's just that easy. You send your XRP from whatever platform, Kucoin, any platform that has XRP, send it over here, and right off the bat when it gets here, you'll start earning more XRP based on the APY. And what's awesome too is that it pays it out to you weekly. So every week it pays it out, and it compounds weekly, which I prefer instead of monthly, right? And right here, what's awesome too is that at the top, total interest earned, that's how much interest you've earned so far. And it tells you the next payout date and how much interest till that date that you're going to get. So I really like that detail because I can keep up to date and see how much I'm earning. So guys, in my opinion, probably the best app to basically stake your XRP and earn more XRP out there, specifically because it's KYC free and the rates are pretty decent. And don't forget too, they have other good rates here. As you guys can see, they have 12.68% USDC, 6.7 on ETH, 6.7 on Bitcoin, 3% XLM. So they have a pretty good amount of cryptos here that you can earn passive income on. So definitely check it out. But this video is specifically for XRP. And also, guys, if you guys want to withdraw anytime, I don't think there's a withdrawal limit. So guys, that's how you earn passive income on your XRP. Staking, lending, doesn't matter. It's passive income. If you guys want to try Vauld, use my referral code in the description and pinned comment below. Thank you guys so much. Leave a comment if you guys have any questions. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.